In room 902 where the numbers fly, Mr. Ames got the knowledge reaching for the sky. Got the chalk in his hand and the graph on the board, teaching polynomials never gets ignored.
So hey guys, my name's Ali. I'm a senior here.
My name's David. I'm a senior here too.
And personally, I took stats because if you guys go into the same boat as I and you want to take a math class in your 4th year, but you don't want to take AP Calc because that's too hard, and you don't want to take financial algebra because that doesn't give you like an extra GPA boost, Stats Honors is kind of the perfect balance. The workload is fair, you don't get that much work, all you get is like notes every day, you just scan it, upload it, and it's weighted, so it's like if you get an A, then that's a 5.0 instead of 4.0. That's the same credit as taking AP Calc, except without the college credit, which is great because the workload is probably like 10 times less than AP Calc.
We also do a Google certificate program, and you actually get a pin from that when you graduate as a senior. And I pretty much, for me, I took it because I didn't want to take AP Calc. So I just wanted to take this class. I like this class though. It's quiet. It's we don't have like too much work. There's days where we could catch up with work. So, and the tests aren't too bad. I shouldn't have said that out loud.
The tests are fine. The tests are easy. Yeah. Statistics Honors is basically a class where you learn how to collect data, analyze it, you filter it, sort it on Google Sheets, and that's very useful in a lot of jobs nowadays, like medical, accounting, business, and probably like the food industry too, because everywhere uses data, and it's the perfect class for that. And that's our pitch. You guys should totally sign up for Stats Honors.
Yeah, we're here actually to explain a little bit about data, stats, the honors class that we have here at Savannah High School. So a little bit about it is that I am a senior. I'm a senior here at Savannah High School. My name is Paola, and I'm Sandra. And this is my first year taking Mr. A's class with, obviously with his data. And something interesting that I actually really like about his class is that it's a Google certificate thing, so it'll help you like for your future. So even if you don't like anything about computer science, it's still like handy to like have it, and it's good for your education for your future. So in college, for example, you can have like a little folder for your class, and then in there you can have like subfolders of like projects, essays, all that good stuff. And I've actually learned how to like manage all of my data now with like the clubs that I'm in, projects I have, my big techie classes as well.
Yeah, and it's a really it's a self-paced class, so you get to go on your own pace, which gives you more flexibility if you're in sports or like an athlete or just have other responsibilities. And the environment is really cool, like right now, because the lights are always off and there's like no distractions.
Another thing that you can get is also a pin. You can get a little graduation pin, so you get to flex a little bit.
Yeah, and you can put it on your resume because you'll learn how to use spreadsheets.
Yeah, you learn how to use spreadsheets, data, because it's literally everywhere. Like when you guys are collecting information from a survey, you're collecting data. When you're asking someone a question, like for example, like, do you think there's so much homework here at Savannah High School? From there, that's like collecting data. Like I am gaining like information from like a specific part of the population. So I've learned a lot from that class, and I hope you guys do decide to take it. It is a math class, and it is like an elective. Mr. Ang, he's very, he's very easy to work with. He's very flexible, especially if you're a good student, He will be like, okay, I can give you an extension. He gives you a lot of benefit of the doubt, because he was once in our shoes. He was once a high schooler as well. So that's what I really appreciate about with Mr. Ang. So.
Why did you guys decide to take the class? Because you guys were juniors. You didn't know much about the class.
I decided to take the math class because of my friends from last year. They had told me that it is very easy paced and that honestly, like, it's just all on me. So it helps you like learn how to manage your own time, and it learns how to manage like your own work and being like taking more accountability and integrity.
Was that true?
Yes. Yeah.
And it also gives you a GPA boost because it counts as like
an honors class.
An honors class.
So if you have an A, that's gonna mean you have 5 points from the class.
To share why you should consider taking stats with data honors with Mr. Ng for the following year. So first of all, this is a 4-year math credit, and it means that helps you meet your graduation requirement while also boosting your GPA since it's a honors class. And it's a low stress class that is all self-paced, which allows you to work at your own speed and discipline yourself. So Mr. Ng is not here teaching or anything. We follow this thing Coursera, and it's in your computers, and you just follow the videos and work at your own pace. And the workload is really reasonable, and the environment is very quiet. As you guys know, it's really, I think it's really peaceful. And you also earn a Google certificate that shows you can sort, filter, and organize data, and which are the skills that are very valuable in every career. And you also get this pin when you graduate.
Another great thing is that you can take these classes along for your other math courses to build a stronger resume for colleges. You'll learn how to use tools to manipulate data, organize personal work information, and understand why data is important. It's really in everything we do. And it's also, if you're looking for classes that prepares you for the real world, well, you can keep things manageable and fun. Stats with data owners is a really thing, but I recommend it.
Yeah, so you guys are selecting new classes for next year. I think you guys should take the class. I know you guys think it's like an honors class. It might be harder, but it's just gonna boost your GPA. But it's not a really hard class. Like, trust me, I know. And I know you guys are gonna be like, oh, I'm taking Mr. Ng's class this year. Do I want to be in the same classroom next year? But it's really different. It's not the same class. It's not the same. Like, you guys don't do that many like math problems, or like, it's a really different class. Maybe you guys should see, and maybe you guys can ask more questions to Mr. Ng. So, yeah.
Love math, it's my favorite game. Numbers and formulas never the same. From roots to graph, it's all in my head. Math is a language I've always said. Only in Mr. Ng's class.